number 3. The nice thing here for FEU is they have the lead at this point. Kung paano nila alagaan yun, nasa kanila. Bernadette Pons has been very aggressive from the get-go. Ito rin, si Panay Mercado, nahanap pa yung sulok.
Dalawang tao pa yung nagbabantay doon. We have Agno and we have Simborio right there, pero pareho lang sila nagtinginan talaga.
Usually, dapat libero talaga kukuha nun. Pero well-placed shot there from Stephanie Mercado. Here's Maureen Penetrante Owano. And Jerry Malabanan, Coco Wang. Ayan na naman yung matira ni Paning na nakakagulat. Pons, walang kagulat-gulat doon. Talagang alam mo kung ano gagawin niya.
She went for that kill and she got that point and bringing this team to 2-point lead.
Nice serve there by Jerry Malabanan. Phil Kainglet from behind. Here's the running attack by Remy Palma. Alam mo, just like Micah Ortiz, pag na-master ni Remy Palma yan, that's gonna be a very hard weapon to stop. And of course, our slow motion replay brought to us by Rexona Anti-Perspirant Deodorant. It won't let you down. Makita mo naman yung lift na nakukuha niya doon.
Sabi ni Remy, hindi lang naman daw si Micah Morada ang kaya mag-running spike.
Micah Ortiz din.
Micah Ortiz din.
Ito, Carla Bello ngayon. Going over to Panay Mercado. Great block coming from Remy Palma. Bernadette Pons at tatlong player ng Meralco ay knockout. April Jose papasok. Papalitan naman si Micah Morada. And our first look at Conde Guzman. We're seeing her first action. Papalitan si Carla Bello. So babalik ulit itong si April Jose at the setting position.
It's a good thing na nasa harapan si Coco Wang ngayon. And sabi nga sa timeout, they're trying to utilize her height.
And good read by Jen Reyes. So 12-8. Baba sa 4 ang abante ngayon itong FEU.
As we said earlier, dun sila natalo dahil sa dami nilang errors. They had 9 errors kanina sa second set.
Nice serve by Mercado. Here's Giselle C. going to Bernadette Pons once again. Mercado had to run for that one. Reyes. Kainglet from behind. Tinagno. Giselle C. Andun, syempre, Jen Reyes yung nakabang. Eto ngayon,
she read that very well.
C. Pons. Ay, walang kumuha na second ball.
Nakulangan sa coverage. Pag-block, para lang alam ng mga listeners natin, okay lang kahit kunin nung naka-block. It won't count. Yun pa lang yung first ball.
And Coco Wang will miss. So a problem now for Meralco. And this is the biggest lead of the game para dito sa FEU Lady Tamaraws. 14-8. Wala na yung ngiti ni Coco Wang.
How will FEU keep this 6-point rally na meron sila ngayon, yung lamang nila?
Well, try nilang gawing 7.
Kung pwede.
Conde Guzman. Here's Rachel Bagang through Conde Guzman.
7 points.
Yep. And April Jose will check out once again. Conde Guzman will also check out. No, only one. Only one substitution is allowed yata. Tignan natin. Okay, now they have no setter. So service by Pons. Here's Morada now. Coco Wang dug up there by Tinagno. Here's Michelle. Off the net played by Agno. C gets it across. Morada sets up Kainglet. And Kainglet drops it in, but a net violation against Phil.
That was a good call by the referee.
And now substitution, but first our second technical timeout. Look at this 8-point lead for FEU.